great design often decides if a product is purchased or not. Did you ever wish you had a switch which doesn't interrupt the beautifully designed surface? This is exactly what the SCHURTER CHS offers. It is placed behind surfaces and will be activated by pressing on the front of the surface without seeing the switch itself. The CHS works behind literally any non-conductive material. For translucent materials, such as glass or plastics, use the homogeneous light distribution of the CHS switch to highlight your modern, sleek product design. The surface can be cleaned without unintentionally activating the CHS switch. Thus, it is perfectly suited for hygienic environments. The CHS switch is available in 3 versions: with illumination, without illumination, and with illumination and potted.